Hello friends, in the previous video we tried to understand the definition of yoga. Once we get on our mat or decided to pursue the practices of yoga, it evolves itself into a journey which happens from body to the mental and the emotional levels. And this journey actually is about improvement in the awareness, which ultimately is leading to the development of the interrelation amongst emotional, which can be understood as the different reactions in our life, to the mental, and then to the physical level. While we do these practices of yoga, this awareness leads us to understand how the different external stimulus or the disturbance used to affect these three. And this disturbance used to cause imbalance in us. And after pursuing or putting some time in the diligent practice of yoga, this awareness will lead us to understand the more subtle existence or the way of living. When we were not doing the practice of yoga, and when we start doing the practice of yoga, we can sense the stress which previously used to cause different fear or the phobias. In the beginning, these practices will just let us know how to cope up with such external troubles. But in the long term, these troubles could be solved forever. Because actually there is no trouble. The trouble exists in us because of our own ignorance or because of the non-practice of the unity which is given to us at the time of birth. This is what is actually the learning towards the freedom from all the external troubles. Till this is not realized, we will go on struggling to make the life the way we wish. One great yoga teacher, the spiritual teacher Swami Shivananda, used to say that actually the practice of yoga is the integration or developing the harmony between own thought, feeling, and the acts in which we involve. That is the integration of the head, heart and hands, and they all walking in one direction. So once we take up this journey of yoga, we actually walk on this path of building this harmony, which is never away from us, but it seems away because we live with the different layers of the ignorance. which we are building for a long, long time. So with the physical purification, the mental purification will come. And with the work on mental purification, the peace will be inside. And on this peace, the realization will build itself then and there. Many times we used to hear the myth that yoga is something which will benefit us in time. Of course, this is there, but this talk is about solving all the troubles. But the day one start doing these practices, from that day one can realize the benefit. So this will be the journey or the responsibility on the individual, that they think right, feel right, and act right. This is not one day process, of course, but one can visualize that building harmony in head, heart and hand is giving us a wonderful day. And this wonderful feeling will let us build further on these practices of yoga. Regarding this journey, this much of now. Will go further in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope these words giving you clarity around the responsibility towards the practice of yoga. Thank you so much for watching.